Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm in my new kitchen. I hope you like it. We just moved last month. Today I'm going to make for you an Egyptian drink, which is the hibiscus. You all know the hibiscus, the red flower, and they dry it in Egypt. They plant it along the Nile in the south part of Egypt and also in some Latin American countries. So let's start. I have here a pot. I'm going to put in my pot 1.5 cups of hibiscus, half a cup of sugar, and the sugar is up to you. If you want it so sweet, you can also add sugar. If you like it less sugar, you can use less sugar, and also you can use anything like a substitute for sugar. Now I'm going to add 3 liters or 3 quarts of water. I'm going to turn on the stove and leave it to boil, and then I will show you the next step. Now it's boiling, the hibiscus is boiling. I'm going to turn off the stove, and then I have here this small pitcher, the measurement pitcher. I have a sieve. I'm going to use the big spoon to transfer the hibiscus inside. I will let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer it into my pitcher and then put it in the refrigerator. My hibiscus is now ready. I left it in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and now I will just pour it in my glass. I added some ice. Here you go, a wonderful drink on a hot summer day. I hope you liked my episode today, and see you next time.